National People's Party hene ke si ba kala pen bina pa ba ba lamprang bla unlong ukotong jong ka party ha ke ne ke election chiteng samoy ka banlong ha ka life ho trik mentau bnai hadin ke jing khlat kin dit u MLA jong ka thain uba SK sun haba kren ha ka jing lang man pnyang so bha yo ba bla ka balalong ha Mawphlang hene ke sngi u sembut menteri rang ba ka jilla Bah Prestone teng song u laong baka but sngewsynei kamju don setia haka sang perthei namar ka dei ka riti sensyar pai ba usembut menteri rang ba ula benrap ru da ka boong ba ke NPP ka don ka jingkermen ka baskham bakan job borok lai tadi ki constituency kata ha Mawphlang ha Mawringkeneng badru haraja bala
Cipau tarik uneu bnai baladet ka perthei jong ka Mawphlang konsensi ka dumngan ka perthei jong ka Megala Legislative Assembly ka dumngan ublei ula simno ya wew rangba uba mangang ya deng ya jang ya skoto jembut ba nadu kapor bidang long Chief Engineer badu officer jongka PhD ubangi jukot iba deng sun ngah katu kejanmit ngadon syabar jongka jela habang layo ia ka jingte kapen ketang ia ka donwood bad ia ka jingmut ke berkat ngipa ia kejing sngewlem nakaliang jong ka parti NPP minta ka janmit ya kayeng kasem barokaway ublay undar rengkat bat kayeng bat kasem jong ibadeng sun bat nganget ru ba inang kerku gerbang ya ka Mawphlang constituency mi ka by election hakatu kapor bingi keren na po assembly don ki perlok MLA ki baong ningle keren hadu kata ngile burom do kata balai bagi pendieng sendon naying kata kadai jingkeli ngasukwa banong ya pitang kawe ke constitution jogeri India kamsya bagin le agong ta haka kitab juga constitution jogeri India kamong ba direct nayin Henry nga ong pi ka constitution jong ka India ka ong tangkat ni jet yaw breu uba pi ba udon kasap kapong de kata layak keren kiri orang ba menne baru i menteri belak bat ngangi job MDC nengkong HUR hajar saw bat ila bat bon kipo sapok hasil satu nomor street council bat ngalayo ilut ia ke jinglong ke jong nadu inyukle hadu itersin kejap kata dia ke benungkong bat kamtip syuk mapi ki pajba jong ke Mawphlang konsensi balai pi penjob sausin yang ni orang ba kamtip kambha kapun usla konsensi balai penjob yu Prestone sausin kibadon kasap bat kaphong ha ka sensyar ka kadar kan mata kawe kata ka sempati kam judon ha bagi sngewlem to yalek haye hasem ngaruh mau pi ngelapa kajing sngewlem dah kebuburom ngakren ya kani ndai bangawan berkeren politik namar teng-teng ki pajba ki syaya lambaklah hakabakum kata kapor. Ni badai ita, ni badai ikun ita, ni ba idai ita, ni ngeu lakir syuk kamet. Poisai. Umas ngobau ong medne. Ngikwa ban ai promotion. Na kaliang juga parti kejongi. Ngapat ngakwa ban at sakaway. Balegi kwa ban ai promotion na marula don experience. Ai promotion you bob non experience long imo. Lama ban ai promotion you breu bom tip ya kabenang kendau. Hakakam sorkar roken Mawphlang. Swaban ai promotion ki officer ki ai ke certificate. Iki nong tray la ibit nem ide LD bat ke sekuyudi. Ledembit syua haduk bandabit. Katate. Teu menteri bela Southern ulah syakriya des council yiki pos ki baper kan ayu baun jong unwan ke no mentahang te assembly. Nantakan ayu ba un lek wat ia ki jingkang jong karoi kapar nang tei na pos sekretariat. Namar nga ongi pi claim experience sebekapor tang sistem citeng ndo syuk te. Balegi penleno tang manuat ia ki jingkang na sekretariat ngong pi henreu benai la lut lepa kapor. Henreu benai la lut lepa. Kelempat yoski mayai henreu benai la adep kapor. Go kinong Mawphlang baik kabangamut ban ong ya pi. Ine ipor sisnem tam. Bah Prestone upen bor ya pi. Budget yung menteri lah. Namar ngan lewat lang manga ya kejingkang. Hapok sekretariat. UCM udon don jing kejingkang UCM gadon. Kejingkang deputi CM gadon. Kejingkang mas ngobha gadon. Tekam persuk yang ni pergi pajak ngetrai pimsuk lah dengan ilek pun tak dengan scam bagi pajak jong ke Mawphlang konferensi kidai ki baprok ke Jabing, kidai ki bereu ke Sempang, kidai ki bereu ke Stad, naga kadau hakal laipo teri, let jar halaki jong ki jakat hebut, haka kerteng jong menteri belah.
Kondisi tidak dekat, bat kumjoro, pekongsan tam menteri Mawphlang belak iba don rengkat bani hagen kesi hawawan sene artli ki ba so agi jimut si berkat ki jonga kawai menteri Mawphlang belak ula job hadok Southern kum UMDC job dari konstituensi ngai ngam atete balai ujok ngai badai ubreu ubertrei hok ya kakak namar kata ki pajba ki ai ke senia ba hari kenti ngatharai ke Mawphlang konsensi kan ai yang ke senia ro pura da ke penjok yang menteri Mawphlang bela kumu MLA nagni konsensi ke jongpli ba kumu trai kumu MDC ngatrai un trai kam la susu kumu MLA jogri kathan kabar habang arong haye swa mungin mi la pelong yi jing duai ba te jing pule imei jongi pelong imei jongi kujo kaba so jingmut begini kakam udai belai berjit bat menteri ladau belai uman menjit itu om don bela tengkan dengan scam và kejenjat rekat jompi rekat baru mulai kerku ini bah hari kepor ada snow tenare ban ai di penbenah kini kasih bahwa menteri Mawphlang belak ulang kandidat jom ke NPP na kini ke Mawphlang konstituensi bah khotlang ni pai barok bapin ai di kersan pura mentah usong hapadai UCM baru BCM kadang ong iki berabot menteri Mawphlang belak ulang kersan kadang assembly iki berabot kublai sigon
hapadai di por balko dak por bakimbang ba lasu ong ba kapur ni ko yang ninga si bamta kalau dah ai jiye ba lapadon jikeban ni menen ban menen Pakanta milih gabun kiji perut bagi mau lebagi kubur bagi lapan kenyuri berperhatian rei namar ba kaya iit yang kaya poikan ni kublai sibone yang jipreng jopi yang jing repak jonga pada dana kali kasih yang ba ngalong mo udhot bapura juga parti NPP saya ingat berhatian pareng kendian. It is my pleasure to see our Chief Minister, Shri Conrad K. Sama, Shri Prestone Thompson, Deputy Chief Minister, Shri Mawphlang Minister, they agree with the MLA that you have spent a valuable time to be here with us and to witness the dysfunction of allow me and you accept me to be your permanent member of the NPP. Sir, it encouraged me to see under your leadership that you lead the party, especially the government, and you have done so many things for the welfare of the state and the people of the state of Meghalaya in general and for the occupant, and especially to create opportunity to all the residents of the state. Karena logo jikmen ba ngayo ni kasi pamanta padahal para dari UNGC juga Mawphlang di la Southern. But kalian di UNGC habor ki bata par khamta mele ngayi balong sakri pa ba te khandiat kumajinte ya भी बरो हासो पर लोग किसी ने मंत्री जो का किमा Mawphlang ngayo arsansnem मंत्री भावना भी जो तो उसने पर मंत्री को बंकाजो sekretari kebahamanur para sekretari ya Mawphlang di konsensi ngatroa sipai ba bagi apa yang kalau beliau belum UNGC la Southern but Hajinjat sini juga nga ko balik sibur ye ada dalam bulan ki mo jirakam haka konsorsi hai konsorsi berit jo Mawphlang di ye ten rai apa yang jiat nanti jonga ngasem sem sia sisa ko bulan gisi panang gisi ki ye phi ki pai ba be jonga deka constituency hot nakapol sakpor manbon ke alisod emili tujuan ki jipet soya panile emili ndai ngaso kapor kapat ibah endai menta hari akti bamta kelar tik yanga bani simenta hari ga action system saboy hot Iyo election sistem saboy nama kejithat pendek kejong UMLA jongi ba election lakano te lawan election praktik yang badio mansi bata hari election ba unta to hot kada ba jisungu ya parti NPP kalau dia sebaya ban bagi nukisan di jonga hari santri Oktober ajar kue bandong udhar pura jongka kaji lo ke jonga hi kade banwara yang roi kepat kasuk kasan kapah kamian hari ke jela jongi bagi badai bagi parti bagi jilam bastat jom gini kiramba ba kapelong yang but inukisan juga kursi jom laban sini karai but perniso sekali ke parti but bahan air ke jinsakri kebak hampa bahaya yang pai ba jom bagi noksong senong jom ni ke kursi hot nga bau mana ke janglo jangan baru sini ke parti ada nomor ba ngangno berai sekali ke kamba ipai ba nomor ko itek ba ada kursi jui dan kedong ba kadang tham jonga ban pet bagi dosos to baru ke ban yo ki cipro ikat ko migilong kita ke jaka lekan ko ben disi nga satu ba omla ban wara kita ki jingkela walang persen bande yang babatam kat ba ngala andre kata kapat aji ho denga habayat hai kendong disrot ko sosi gayo yang jingkot ke ba pasel hanga lepas ni ka por ke bamenta wala ni ka by election ada ji pasel junga ke bara kwa ban aga di syakri ke ba kamba ipai ba nabar ko ben di si stop sia de opet ko ben ni hamla bana ji syakri ba lebai pai ba bar kidon ki jingi junga dan bar ga de no sia lima bar de gon di si ngai ba bun ba ki kam bade anta konsti te kani kala ketik aga ki aga ba nabar don kam ba ketiu kira kadang ni jangan buat dari tahu ganti dari banyo belum wemeli tahun ada dapat progres dari ngaca haban mino naka barang kuat berangban yakni tiket hati parti nomor ka kiwe berada kui parti yang nur pada JCP dengar berada kejian dua JCP dari ngapai cari parti NPP apa kami national party ngan jodoh national party barang soba aladon ke atas kongres kadai rapor yang ada sosorong bani iba ka parti national party ka national people's party kami nak jala jungi gede ka national party dan kam bat penjani yang ada di parti baru oi parti kapan pama ma apa jadi nak tak tahu la show berjoin di parti badai bang di parti bang de galat piti nga barong oi beli hendrai kan ni jingang nut jonga kamdei ngamore di parti hendrai kadai api kino persen bayi jadi konsesi ban gede api dikerat kalau ni kan kajian nut jonga ada kino persen pada jadi konsesi Pemali jikisah dari kalau kita kita jadi anu berjalan kumta, ngamek pa, kalau mo, nomor kadang gaji pesona gitu, boleh tu ada ru, boleh kalau tinggi ada berjalan dan dah kumui pa, omnar ni nunu kidau, omnar kidau percaya nunu dah temu tempat ni biadu nunu, datang kumui dari tom, bangkua banai, gaji syakri, kebak kamai konsesi, dia kebak kali parti, bani ni kerang ba, dah ajak. Kemudian dari parti ada berjikerman bahawa orang cium kijiklah hari konstitusi berajalahi berwoi.
Siapa namanya? Udah ki minister ki MNS lalu lepas ruling government. Ngalau apa dong ide ikut kaduk di ruling government. Tekung kariti kedustur ni kita kasih. Ni jo ya kakun kaduk ni kun kaduk ki kami kampun bagi bahaya. Kekamram jo pinang penjobi. Kekamram mengira dari kondisi kamram tinggal government jongi. Hakili bisnes berangsa. Karena kalian jualan kuat mungkin bungkutin. Tangga takkan kuat menaik message, so very clear message. Karena kumpul lebak menteri belak. Ide dan long baik ia melibat mai jauh pinang kali kang jongi. Handai lagi tangga parti ni kuat melong kumtal, hikum kinong tabut, pim kuat ru, kamlak melong kampus saya. Kena kata kadang wan kui barok ke parti yang ni menina du ucap misal di PSM barok ke parti wakas. Ibu dengan mesin pasungwit. Tahu kan ikan mesin. Ingin promote dia buat mala suwa Malay. Ngataran ulang kuma Malay ban pendem mala so. Tara kumen bisirang kabawari barit. Bonsin dan sa position. Kaya ba tundu ayun ni katay. Ngataran ngadang ka full confident hai. Tadi ide long lay Emily ngataran ilak man sakri arsa laisa. Ya ke bisu sakri kumyong menehi ilak dai kapor. Kalau kumu working officer sarkar naman kita ka promotion yung tebelay yung disiro terakhir kan ka promotion tenang kata daw ka message na kiling kum ka party ni ka party hu pai ba tong ni don kawai ka jimot ni telibon hai ba belakang bin yok din job hakan ni tarik banuan hak artrik banginuan na sinong sani kuma melibet maju pi ni elek men ni elek sama dagini.
Friends, many speeches have been given, and therefore I will not give a very, very long speech. I would first of all like to thank Almighty God for this beautiful day that He has given to us, for this beautiful party that He has given to all of us, the National People's Party, for all the leaders that our Almighty has blessed us with, that we have here on stage today with us. Thank God for Mantri Blah and his supporters who have joined the party here today. So first of all, I would like to thank Almighty God for all the blessings that He has given to each and every one of us, especially to the National People's Party and to our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Friends, our Deputy Chief Minister was telling you about how the National People's Party has grown. There was a time when the National People's Party only had two MLAs in the whole country. And slowly, steadily, within a matter of 8 years, the party today has MLAs in Arunachal Pradesh, has ministers in Manipur, has MLAs in Nagaland, and of course, we are heading the government here in Meghalaya. And this has all become possible because people believe in the constitution of this party. People believe in the vision and the goals that this party has. And the National People's Party has always maintained that we will fight for the rights of our people. We will always keep the interests of our people from the Northeast in front. We will always keep the interest of tribal community in front. And people, after seeing these beliefs and this constitution of our party, have supported us throughout the Northeast. And in a record time, the National People's Party has achieved something that no other political party in the whole country could achieve in such a short time, which was to become a national party. But the beauty of National People's Party is this, that we may be a party that is a national party, but our mindset is on the regional importance and on the regional issues of our state and of our region. That is the beauty of this party. If you look at any other national party, like the BSP, their political party is formed by different states in the central part of India. But the National People's Party is a party that is formed purely by the states of the Northeast. Purely. And that is the strength of this party. And that is why today we have our Honorable MDC, Bah, who has also realized that there is no future continuing with the Congress. He has realized that the Congress party is disintegrating throughout the country. He has realized that today the Congress party, even at the national level, only has a temporary president. Even after 3 years, they were not able to elect a leader. If the leadership is not there, who will make the party grow? And that is why today Congress is disintegrating. There is no use being in a sinking ship. And that's why we are very happy and welcome Bah and the entire supporters and leaders who have worked term after term for him to make him MDC again and again. And I would like to once again take this opportunity to welcome Bah and all his supporters to the National People's Party. And I can assure you that together we will work, we will win this election, we will move forward this constituency, and together we will take our state forward. We must protect the lives of our citizens. We must not do anything where our citizens will be harmed. So be firm, maintain the law and order, but ensure that our citizens are protected. And therefore, in many law and order situations that we faced, you must have seen that not single life was lost. We have made sure that we maintain the law and order situation by taking our people into confidence, by taking the community and society into confidence. And that is how we would like to move forward, but maintain our firmness in terms of the law and order situation. When it came to development aspects, if you look in the last 3.5 years, the amount of schemes, the number of roads, the number of schools, the number of colleges that this government has built cannot be matched by anybody. But yesterday, we had a very disturbing situation where there were challenges that were thrown to the NPP. I wonder why such a timing, that one day before Mr. Mantri Blah is supposed to join, somebody comes out with a statement like this. Are they scared? Are they scared that NPP is growing from strength to strength? Let me tell you, after the power from above, the power that God has, second to that is only the power and will of the people. There is no other strength that is more powerful than the democracy. There is no other strength that's more powerful than the power of the people. So please don't put these kind of challenges. I want to tell the people of NPP, all the supporters of NPP, be strong. We are here to fight for our people. We are here to ensure that we take our state forward. We should not be bowed down by these simple challenges that are thrown at us. I can assure you that we are all with you. Our entire cabinet, entire party leaders, myself as the party president and the chief minister, we are here. We will take whatever steps are necessary to ensure that we take care of the situation. So therefore, there's nothing to fear, and I urge each and every one of you to come out confidently, work freely, support our candidate, and make sure that in this coming election, which is going to take place on 30th, and results will be out on 2nd, we should come out with flying colors. Bah has been a person who has given and dedicated his life to politics. He has dedicated so many years to the people of Mawphlang, selflessly, never looking into it that what is there for me. He has sacrificed his life, his family, everything to ensure that he's able to give time to people of Mawphlang. And now he wants to do more. He wants to take the work that he's been doing to a new level. And as was being mentioned by our candidate of MDC from HSPDP, these kind of programs and these kind of ideas cannot be planned by us. It's a planning from above. It is meant to be that this particular situation came up. Bah was keen to contest. The other party leaders from different parties were keen to support. And somehow everybody from different directions all came together and have joined the NPP and are going to support. This means that there is already a plan from above. And I strongly believe it. I strongly believe it. Sometimes it's not possible as human beings to plan such complicated operations, such complicated programs. But what has happened today, where we have people from HSPDP, we have people from Congress, we have people from different political parties and from NPP all coming together today to support Bah. There must be some quality in this man which has pulled all of us together. And today we are all here to support him and take it forward. I always tell when I'm in election that I'm not here today as chief minister or I'm not here today as a party president. I am here as a simple worker of the party and a simple worker of Bah. And I am willing to work with all of you. Of course, I'll be concentrating also in Garo Hills and in Mawphlang also. But as per the desire of our candidate, whenever he would want, I will be here to campaign for him in whatever capacity that he feels is appropriate, so that we can add more and more support to him and see that on the 2nd of November, he comes out with flying colors. Friends, I also want to tell you that apart from Mawphlang constituency, in Mawphlang, Sorankham constituency also, as well as in Rajabala constituency, the NPP is doing very well. And I am very, very confident that when the results come out on the 2nd of November, the National People's Party will sweep all 3 seats. We will win all 3 seats is what my prediction is. And I'm very confident with all your support, we will be able to win and achieve that target. So with these few words, once again, I would like to thank and welcome Shri Mantri Bla and his entire supporters